Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering treat for you, delicious one-pot meals. These recipes are not only super tasty but also incredibly easy to make, making them perfect for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. So let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. First up, we have a classic favorite, creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 225 grams fettuccine pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Let's get started with the cooking process. 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, melt the butter. Add the diced chicken and cook until it's no longer pink and has a nice golden color. 3. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute until fragrant. 4. Lower the heat to medium, then pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. 5. Gradually add the grated Parmesan cheese while stirring continuously to create a creamy sauce. 6. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Add the cooked fettuccine pasta to the skillet and toss it with the creamy chicken Alfredo sauce until everything is well coated. 8. Garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor. And there you have it, a creamy and comforting one-pot chicken Alfredo pasta that will leave your taste buds dancing. Recipe 2. Vegetarian quinoa chili. Next on the menu, we have a hearty and healthy option, vegetarian quinoa chili. Let's gather the ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced any color, 1 zucchini diced, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can 15 ounces black beans drained and rinsed, 1 can 15 ounces kidney beans drained and rinsed, 1 can 15 ounces diced tomatoes, 1 cup vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Let's get started with the cooking process. 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat, add the olive oil and saute the diced onion and minced garlic until softened and aromatic. 2. Add the diced bell pepper and zucchini, then cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. 3. Stir in the cooked quinoa, black beans, kidney beans, diced tomatoes with their juice, vegetable broth, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. 4. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. 5. Once the chili is thick and the vegetables are tender, it's ready to serve. 6. Ladle a hot vegetarian quinoa chili into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. Voila! A delicious and nutritious one-pot vegetarian quinoa chili that's perfect for a cozy night in or a crowd-pleasing dinner party. Recipe 3. Lemon garlic butter shrimp and rice. Now it's time for a seafood delight, lemon garlic butter shrimp and rice. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams large shrimp peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons butter, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup long grain white rice, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 lemon zest and juice, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Let's get started with the cooking process. 1. In a large skillet or deep pan, melt the butter over medium heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and saute for a minute until fragrant. 3. Stir in the uncooked rice, coating it with the garlic butter mixture. 4. Pour in the chicken broth, lemon juice, and lemon zest, then season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 6. Add the peeled and deveined shrimp to the pan and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and are fully cooked. 7. Garnish the lemon garlic butter shrimp and rice with fresh parsley for a burst of color and flavor. And there you have it, a zesty and flavorful one-pot lemon garlic butter shrimp and rice that's sure to impress your family and friends. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these delicious one-pot meals. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and are inspired to try them in your own kitchen. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. If you love these one-pot meals, let us know in the comments below, and feel free to share your favorite one-pot recipes with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!